Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are tackling a very common question for online meetings: how to mute audio in Google Meet. Whether you need to silence your own microphone, quiet a noisy participant, or mute the entire meeting's incoming audio, we have you covered. Let's dive right in. First, let's look at the basics. Muting your own microphone. To do this, locate the microphone icon at the bottom center of your Google Meet screen. Click it once and it will turn red with a slash through it, indicating that you are now muted. To unmute, simply click it again. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac for a quick toggle. You can also hold down the spacebar to temporarily unmute yourself while you speak, then release it to mute again. Next, what if someone else is causing background noise? If you are the meeting host, you have the power to mute individual participants. Navigate to the people icon in the bottom right corner to open your participant list. Hover over the name of the person you want to silence. Click the 3 vertical dots next to their name and select mute. Please note that for privacy reasons, Google Meet does not allow you to unmute someone else. They will have to unmute themselves when they are ready to speak. Finally, what if you need to mute the incoming audio of the entire meeting without actually leaving the call? Google Meet doesn't have a built-in button for this, but there is a very simple browser workaround. If you are using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, look up at the browser tab at the very top of your screen where your meeting is running. Right-click on that specific tab. From the drop-down menu, select Mute Site or Mute Tab. This instantly cuts all audio coming from the meeting. When you're ready to listen in again, simply right-click the tab and select Unmute Site, and that is it. You now have complete control over your audio in Google Meet. If you found this quick guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct, and professional tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.